Bloom Investment App for Canadians. Pricing explained. What you get for your money. Bloom is a Canadian investment app focused on sustainable and investing. Many assume sustainable investing platforms are expensive, but Bloom offers clear and competitive pricing. The app is free to download, and users can start investing with no account minimum. Bloom charges a management fee of 0.25% annually for its standard portfolios. This fee covers automated portfolio management, rebalancing, and access to sustainable ETFs. There are no trading commissions or hidden fees for deposits and withdrawals. Most people get this wrong by thinking eco-focused investing costs more. The surprising truth is that Bloom makes sustainable investing accessible for everyday Canadians. For example, investing $0 in a standard portfolio costs just $50 per year, while your portfolio is automatically diversified and aligned with its principles. In conclusion, Bloom combines affordable pricing with a focus on responsible investing, making it perfect for Canadians who want both financial growth and positive social impact.